The next little bit here, the next little half mile is going to be some of the more slow going stuff in the area. We're up at about 10,000 feet. I was just up at 10,400. I'm on the 2019 300 XC-W TPI. It's got a GET ECU installed on it. It's running phenomenal. But I came down this trail just a few minutes ago, and I know it's going to be a challenge based off of how freaking steep it is, how technical it is, how loose it is, how dry it is. There's a couple switchbacks up here that are just nasty pants. And that's nasty pants. Right there. And I am alone, so I didn't want to just send it because that's a deep, dark cliff right there. And sometimes when you're alone, it's good to dial it back. One notch back. Right, here's one of the nasty pants. Switchbacks. Oh, shoot. Yep. Needed to do a high side pivot turn. That is freaking steep. Okay. Got another one coming up here. Opposite direction. Yeah, check it. I got it. Now we slide down into that groove. Right there. Okay, good, good. Listen to that. 300 lug. All right. Dang it. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Let's do gas. Stand up on the pegs and get up over that. Back up a bit. Get more momentum. Get up on the pegs. Get up over it. Like that. There we go. And we are up. Yes. So, in synopsis, as I let the bike cool, the bike is running really good, and Perhaps I shouldn't have done my 5,000 meter skiing workout this morning. We're up high. 2 miles above sea level. And this bike is running amazing. I mean, you can't really ask for anything more. It's got a ton of power, even though we're all the way up here at elevation. I'm just shy of 10,000 feet right now. The trail topped out at 10,400 back there just a little bit ago. So I could not be happier with the way that the bike is running right now.